welcome to Excel Made Easy. In this video tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to work with drop-down lists. Specifically, we will show you just how simple it is to delete a drop-down list from your spreadsheet. Let's start. In the previous tutorials, we successfully created and edited a drop-down list. Now I'll guide you through several steps to remove it completely from your table. If you want to remove the drop-down list, click on the cell which contains the list you want to remove. We're going to remove the drop-down list with months, so we'll click on the cell D3. Find Data tab. Go to Data Tools and select the option Data Validation. In the pop-up window that appears, click on the option Clear All located in the bottom left corner. Click on OK to confirm, and the list has been removed. The cell still contains the last selected option, but the drop-down menu has been deleted, so there is no other option to choose from. The icon for the list on the right-hand side of the cell has also disappeared. On the other hand, the drop-down list that we decided to keep still works. If you have found this video to be useful, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more videos from Excel Made Easy. Explore our tutorials to learn how to use Excel in a fast and effortless way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.